Imagine a YouTube channel hitting 1.56 million subscribers and 291 million views. Seriously, with just 11 videos. This account launched under a month ago, got monetized with only 11 uploads. That growth rate is absolutely wild. Now you might think, no way I could pull this off. But here's the truth, you totally can. Dozens of channels in this exact niche are seeing massive results. Check this one, 600,000 subscribers with only 45 videos, only in 3 months. That proves this niche still has insane potential, which means you can absolutely succeed here too. But you'll need the right strategy and tool. That's exactly what this video delivers. I'll show you how to launch your channel in this niche, plus how to create videos better than the top creators. Best part? We're using AI to simplify everything. Zero big budgets, zero experience required. I'll guide you through every step, crystal clear. Now let's dive into step 1, channel creation. Pay close attention. This part is crucial. We'll use 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 for this. Once you're in, start by instructing it to act as an expert in building perfectly branded YouTube channels. Then, ask it to generate 10 unique channel name ideas for an animal adventure shorts channel. You should use the exact prompt I'm using here for the best results. I've compiled all prompts from this video into a Google Doc, links in the description. You'll see 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 deliver solid name ideas to kickstart your channel the right way. Now let's craft your channel description. Stay in the same 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 chat and ask it to create an SEO-optimized, engaging description based on your chosen name. Next, pick your favorite channel name and paste it here. This tells 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 exactly which name you've selected. Hit generate, and just like that, you'll get a polished, brand-aligned description that's fully SEO optimized. Almost there. You still need a standout channel logo. I will use 𝐲𝐮𝐫 for image generation. Once you're in 𝐲𝐻𝐻, click on Image Generator. Then head back to my Google Doc, copy the image prompt, and paste it into 𝐲𝐻𝐻. We need to make one adjustment here. Select an animal plus 1 or 2 accessories. For example, I've chosen dog, gold chain, and sunglasses. Set the ratio to 1:1 and hit generate. Wait about 30 seconds for the images to render. Browse the results and download your favorite image by clicking here. Free users will get images with a watermark. But here's a pro tip. I found a workaround to download watermark-free images for free. If enough of you are interested, I'll make a dedicated video showing exactly how it's done. Let me know in the comments. Now, go to your channel, click Customize, then upload the logo here. Paste the channel name you choose. Don't forget the channel description. If you exceed 1,000 words, trim down the content. Finally, click Publish. Now your channel is ready. Now that your YouTube channel is set up, it's time for the next crucial step, crafting your video script. But here's the kicker. I'm not just showing you how to write a standard script. I'm revealing a next-level method. So make sure to watch closely. First, open 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤. Tell it that it's an expert in creating viral AI-generated YouTube shorts. Then, specify that your goal is to create a 1-minute video. Briefly explain your story concept. Give just enough detail so 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 understands exactly what you're aiming for. Now here's the important part. Make sure to include in your prompt that you want 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 to generate image prompts, animation prompts for every single scene. And finally, include that you want sound effect prompts to match the action. Also, you can find the script in my Google Doc. Click Generate, and the creation process will start right away. This step is actually very fast. Once it's done, you'll see 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 gives you over 20 full scenes. Each scene includes 3 key things: an image prompt, an animation prompt, and a sound effect prompt. Exactly what we need. Now, this might feel confusing at first, but trust me, it's simpler than it looks. I'll explain why later. For now, copy the first image prompt, then go back to 𝐲𝐻𝐻 and paste it there. Choose this ratio. Click Generate. Wait about 30 seconds. Pick your favorite image and click Generate Video. You'll notice the sidebar now switches from Image to Generate Video, and your chosen image loads right here. This is why we need both image and animation prompts together. Next, return to 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤. copy the first animation prompt and paste it into 𝐒𝐿𝐴. Choose 5 seconds, then click Generate. Now just let the magic happen. Your first scene is now complete. Go ahead and download it. For the second scene, we repeat the same steps. To save time, I won't redo every scene here. If you missed something, feel free to rewind this part. We'll keep repeating this process until all scenes are generated. Now you might wonder, what about the sound effect prompts? Don't worry, we'll get to those next. Let's move to step 3, video editing. Today, I'm exclusively using 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 sound effects for this project. I tested DeepSeek by generating 80 scenes. And guess what? 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤's library had perfect matches for every single asset. So rest assured, 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤's got you covered. Want more sounds? Head to Pixabay for tons of free, royalty-free audio. Now let's edit. First, import your generated videos. Then go back to DeepSeek. Copy the first SFX prompt. Pay attention. Only copy one at a time. For example, copy dramatic violin, then back in 𝐓𝐶ut, click audio, then paste it in search, listen and select your favorite, and then add to timeline. Then go to DeepSeek again and copy stomach growl. Back to 𝐓𝐶ut. Find sound effects. Paste the words and select what you like. Since these two is for the first scene, keep all sound effects within the 5-second mark. If you want the violin music as continuous background music, you won't need to split clips. Continue adding sound effects for the second scene by repeating this process while carefully adjusting timing and volume. This step requires patience, so take your time repeating until all sound effects are placed. Adjust the violin volume to around -6. Videos downloaded from 𝐒𝐿𝐴 have watermarks, so select all clips and scale them to 110%. This will hide the watermark completely just like this. Finally add a mix transitions, setting the duration to ½ a second and click Apply to all. Congratulations! Your video is now complete. Hit Export. Name the video if you like. Adjust here to 4K. So now, let's finally see how the video came out. As you can see, the video is just perfect. It's hilarious, and it has all of the viral elements in it, which will help your video blow up. Now you have your video. Just upload it to your channel, keeping working and pushing, and I will see in the next video.